Why is exfoliating so important? Well, in case you didn't know, as the skin matures or ages, the rate at which cell turnover takes place slows down significantly. Now let's stop right there and then go through what cell turnover means. Simply put, the skin is able to renew itself after every 30 days. With this being the case, this helps to mediate the process of creating new cells, which means birth of new cells while removing old and dead skin cells. The process of creating new cells needs room for new cells to grow. In order for this to happen, old cells need to be removed. And the process in which we remove old cells, it is through shedding. Now that is how cell turnover takes place. Now that we understand the process of cell turnover, we can go straight into why it is so important to normalize cell turnover. With age and photo damage, we do not shed the top layer of the dead skin cells. By not shedding the top layer of the dead skin cells, this leaves no room for new healthy cells to grow. As a result, the skin ages. With reduced cell turnover, the skin can present with poor skin texture, poor complexion, inability to produce sufficient lipids, and also an inability to retain moisture. When new cells are not being made, old skin cells stay longer, and this can actually compromise your skin barrier. That is why we recommend normalizing cell turnover to enhance the optimal functioning of your skin barrier. With a compromised barrier, this can present with dryness and sensitivity due to old and dead skin cells that are accumulating on your skin layers. By using chemical exfoliators, we are encouraging normalizing cell turnover. It is also important to note that we're not encouraging cell turnover beyond normal, as this could potentially compromise your skin barrier. It is recommended to always use your chemical exfoliators accordingly so that you do not overstimulate your precious skin. Thank you for tuning in to Skintelligence with Skin Functional. Please do not hesitate to like, share, comment, and also reach out. You are never alone in your skincare journey with Skin Functional.